What's up guys? I'm Astro. Hope that you're all having a great day today. So in today's video, I'm going to be getting my car cleaned up because it's overdue for a bit of a wash down and some vacuuming and stuff. So I'm going to go up to my friend's house and let's do it. Follow the intro. So it is a beautiful day, the sun is shining, the skies are clear, we are finally getting some nice weather. Yeah, I used Joey with the hose. So Joey here is like the master of washing cars. Literally, he's got like all the good stuff. So you need someone to wash your car, you call him up.
Literally.
Yeah. Yeah, he's got like the right sponges, the right tools, so. Yeah, he's got all the good stuff. Yeah, go contact him for a car wash for 99% off.
Link to be in the bio.
Link in the bio. There's actually no link, unfortunately.
No, but there will be though.
Oh, maybe you could put up on like Facebook Marketplace saying, hey, anybody need a car wash? He's the guy for it. Finally, dude, it's not cloudy. I'm so happy about that. Yeah. SpongeBob.
A SpongeBob
Yeah.
SquarePants.
Yeah, SpongeBob SquarePants. Yay!
SpongeBob SquarePants.
I don't think this car is waterproof. I'm just kidding.
Imagine.
Did you guys know that you actually need to install blinker fluid once a year? You know that, Joey, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, blinker fluid.
Yeah. I know about that.
I'm just kidding. There's no blinker fluid.
No, like there is.
No, I'm serious. There is no such thing as blinker fluid. I was just messing.
Yeah, there is. I'm sure there is.
Oh, are you thinking of wiper fluid?
No, I'm thinking of blinker fluid. I'm sure there is.
No, there isn't. I'm just, that was a joke.
I'm sure there is.
Oh my gosh. We're just spraying on a car. There's not much going on here.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to entertain you all. You guys are very picky. I don't know what's wrong with you. There we go. That's one down and hundreds more to go. Alrighty, we're getting the rims cleaned up. They're starting to look really nice. Especially the rims in the front were really filthy. So I'm glad this is starting to look good. Got it. Looks good. Oh. Especially the rims look much cleaner. So, how long have you been in the car washing business?
We've been doing it since like last year.
Yeah, about 10 years. Wait, how old were you 10 years ago? 9. Your dog is following you. That's just the tail. Or the elephant's trunk. You should paint it to make it look like an elephant. Baby elephant. Where did this even come from? I didn't even know I had this. How do I get the steering wheel? These little screens. There you go. Nice. Oh, nice. Clean the windshield. Hey guys, so we got my car cleaned off and everything is looking good with my car. We are now gonna try and go boating with the same boat that I used for my last video. And hopefully this time we are not gonna strap it on the roof again because that's what killed my camera battery and the boat almost came off. So we don't want to do that again. So we're gonna try again. And this time we're gonna leave before the sun sets because we don't want to get bit by mosquitoes. Here's Joey.
What's up?
We're gonna try this again and just hope that everything actually goes fine this time. Yep. So we got the boat packed up in the back, so we'll be good.
I saw Grandma yesterday down at the store. Well, she's really going fine for 84. Well, she asked me if
now we have just made it to the pond, and we are gonna get this boat blown up right now. So we're just getting it set up, and we'll be good. So, time-lapse mode. We just got the boat inflated, so we are all good to go. And the next thing we need to do is attach the seats and put them on the pond. Nice, good to go. That is cool. I totally forgot about this pond.
Yeah. Alright, ready?
Yep. Stepping on rocks.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, you'll give it there.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, yeah, throw it to me.
Great.
Alright, we wrapped up and we are deflating the boat. Hey, this was a mission success. And we didn't get bugs, which is awesome. Okay, nice. Let me open the trunk. Need a hand?
Nope, I got it.
Nice. Need me to help you put it on?
I was gonna put it I like that.
Damn, that is a nice shirt though. Yeah, Killer Queen.
Yeah, I've already got it done once, so.
Oh, okay, should be good. Yeah, that was a good adventure.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, the temperature was perfect.
Oh, yeah.
It was great. No complaints here. Alright, so my friend Joey just dropped me off and I put everything away and we had a really good boating trip, so it was fun. I had a really good time. I had a great time boating. I got some beautiful shots in 4K with the GoPro and I actually had a really fantastic day. I don't really talk a lot about my days, but I've been active all day today and trust me, this has been such a great day. And I'm just slaying today. I'm just wearing this coat because I don't want to get bit, but I had a great day, guys. And I hope that you all have a great day too. So yeah, the sun is setting. It is beautiful outside. Look at what we have here. It's the kitty cat. Hi. We got the kitty cat. How's it going? Then I kidnapped her. So yeah, today was a great day, and I'm gonna try and do the outro while holding on to this beast. So anyway guys, I hope you all had a fantastic time watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I have really been having so much fun getting back to these vlogs. I have a great feeling about this summer. I think this is gonna be a great time, and making these videos has been so much fun. Alright, I can't order anymore. Making these videos has been extremely fun, and it feels really good to get back into making these vlogs, and I also get to be myself. So any trans people out there, hi, you're welcome on this channel. Yeah, I get to have fun, I get to vlog, do fun things, and I get to be comfortable in myself. So, welcome to my journey. Okay guys, go subscribe. Bye.